Welcome back to PrognoCIS. Today, we're going to talk about the patient document list. Now, I can get to the patient document list by going to the home screen and clicking on the patient, or by coming up here to the patient search field and searching for a particular patient. Once I selected my patient, I will go to the encounter side, and in the table of contents, I will go down to the word document list. If I choose an item over here to the right side, I am filtering out by that item. So if I choose lab results, I'm only going to see the lab results in the document list. If I want to see the entire document list, I want to click on the middle of the word document list. And now I can see the entire document list. I can come down and I can select a particular item on the document list. And when I do select that item, I will see a view of that item over here to the right, or I can click this button here and see the view at the bottom. I personally prefer to see it at the right. If I click this box here, it's going to take the view away, so I'm not going to see it. But if I go down to the item here, I can click on the magnifying glass, and now I have a separate pop-up window that shows me that document. If I select the box in front of the selected item, I can come up here and I can create a download file. I can select more than one box, and if I wanted to download multiple things, and this will download it into a PDF. If I click here, I'm going to download it into a zip file. Here, I'm allowed to print the document, and here, this is just going to view that document in a larger window. Now, here I have a share button. Now I can share this document on a portal. The documents where I have turned on are ones that I'm sharing with, and the ones that are turned off are the ones I'm not sharing with. If I look at the document across the page, I can see that the ones that I've shared with are in blue and yellow color, and the ones I have not shared with are in gray and white color. Up here, I have a funnel, which allows me to filter out the document list. Filter out the document list by document type. By just selecting that type of document and hitting OK, it will filter that. I can filter out by the provider. So if I need all the documents for one particular provider, I can select my provider and hit apply and see only the documents for that provider. I can filter out by case number or accident or injury. I can also filter out by a category, by a pregnancy number, by a diagnosis code, or by a date range. I can also filter out documents that have been shared on portals. So if I wanted to know what was shared on the patient portal, I can just select patient portal, click apply, and only get the documents shared on the patient portal. I do have a word search here. So if I wanted to type in a word like ankle, I can get only the documents that have the word ankle in them. Over here, I have a manage column button, which will allow me to manage the columns that go across here for the things that I see in the document list. So here, if I want it, I would go ahead and send it over here to the right. If I don't want it, I can take it off and it comes back over here to the left. And then I hit apply and it takes off that field. Now, one of the newest features for the document list is this open a document in a separate window. So if I click here, it creates a new window for the document list so that when I'm working on I can minimize this window and then I can be working on a separate field in here. And then I can bring up that document list window and still see the document list from any screen that I see. And that is all there is to it. Thank you and have a great day.